In addition to daily cleaning, TurboChef single and double batch ovens require weekly in-depth cleaning. Step 1. Power down all oven cavities and leave the doors open so the unit can cool down. Step 2. Remove all wire racks, grease filters, and air filters. Step 3. Remove the thumb screws and bottom jet plates from all oven cavities. Step 4. Rinse the air filters and grease filters in a sink with warm water. Allow all filters to air dry completely before reinstalling. Step 5. Clean the wire racks and bottom jet plates using a scrub pad and TurboChef oven cleaner. Step 6. Rinse the wire racks and bottom jet plates in a sink or with a damp cloth. Allow the wire racks and bottom jet plates to air dry. Step 7. Clean all oven cavities and the metal portions of the door interior using a scrub pad and TurboChef oven cleaner. Do not spray the cleaner directly into the oven, onto the lights, or onto the back wall. Step 8. Rinse all oven cavities and the metal portions of the door interior with a damp cloth. Allow the oven cavities and doors to air dry. Step 9. Clean all interior door glass surfaces with a food-safe glass cleaner and a soft cloth. Step 10. Apply TurboChef oven cleaner to the sidewalls, top wall and bottom wall of all oven cavities. Do not spray the oven cleaner directly into the oven, onto the lights, or onto the back wall. Step 11. Reinstall the bottom jet plates using the thumb screws. Step 12. Reinstall all air filters, grease filters, and wire racks. Step 13. Clean the exterior of the oven with a damp cloth. Step 14. To clean the touchscreen, first lock the screen, then wipe it down with a damp cloth. TurboChef spare parts, accessories and cleaners, always in stock at Partstown UK.